Hi everyone and welcome back on my channel. My name is Linda and today I will show you guys how to make a super easy chicken tikka masala. And without further ado, let's go straight into this video. The ingredients you need this time are diced chicken breast, onion, chili, can of chopped tomatoes, sour cream, fresh garden herbs and some seasonings and rice. For details, have a look in the description box below. First of all, prepare the rice so it will be done at the same time like our masala. I'm a proud owner of a rice cooker. Guess why? While the rice is cooking, we can keep the focus on the masala. Put the meat and 1/3 of the seasoning into a bowl with some oil. For mixing it, I'm using a glove so I can press the whole seasoning and the oil into the meat. And then put it into the fridge. Chop the onion and then chop the chili. And then we start to fry the onion and the chili with a bit of oil. When the onion and the chili have like a shiny glaze on it, we will add the meat and fry it until the meat is white.
And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
And then you can add the can of chopped tomatoes and the rest of the seasoning.
Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts.
And now we can let it boil for a while. After around 10 minutes, add the cinnamon and the sour cream. And now just let it boil. And after 5 minutes we're already done. So let's go straight into the serving. And guess what? That was super easy, right? So all the ingredients you can get in the supermarket, don't freak out about it and try it out. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Leave it a thumbs up if you like it and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.